Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now, it's been a moment since I have been in this channel. I've just been really busy with work, but I'm back and I have an update of a whole bunch of new accessories that I've entered into my capsule. I'm really excited to share with you guys. There's one in particular that isn't so new. I've had it for a few months, but I just wasn't able to show you guys before. I don't know how that slipped my mind, but I really love it, so I'm going to include it in this video. So I'm going to start off with this accessory I have been rocking many times since I purchased. It is this bucket hat. It's an oversized faux fur, really fluffy, and I got this from ASOS. I believe it's an ASOS brand, but I will leave a link down below. I love this hat. I was kind of obsessed with bucket hats. Earlier on in the year, I saw Rihanna rocking quite a few around springtime into the summer last year, and I just really loved the oversized look. So I managed to find a similar style, and I'll just try it on so you guys can see how it looks. So this is how it appears, and I love it. It's really snug, fits just right. I'm glad I chose a black. There was a icy blue one available also on ASOS, so I was kind of deciding between that. I was getting a classic black. In the end, I went for a classic black, and I actually don't regret it. I think it's still a bold style choice just because of its oversized appearance. Next up, I have a pair of shoes. Now, this is extending onto another pair I showcased in a few videos back. I love them so much, I got them in a different colour range, which is very rare for me. So this is the box that they came in, just to give you guys a clue. Pretty much guess what these are. I got another pair of Air Jordan 1s. They are absolutely stunning. I love the colourway. I'll just break it down with one shoe just so you guys can have a more detailed look. So this is the shoe. And then what I loved about this is it has a black lining, which you don't often see with this colourway. I actually got this pair when I went to Toronto back in September. Just on our last day, we literally had to fly out, and we walked past this shoe store, this like Jordan's shoe store, and it was just filled top to bottom with all these different like styles of Jordan, different colourways, different patterns. It was amazing. And I had my eye on quite a few, but I settled with this pair. I just love I love the colour. I think it's something that could easily blend into my capsule, and it has. I've been really happy with the colour selection, with the design, and I love it. Yeah, in the UK, I live in the UK, so this particular colourway is not as accessible. So this was definitely a great investment, and I've been able to really utilise this within my like day-to-day outfits, wearing you know, like boyfriend fit jeans, loose jeans, and they actually look really good with this top as well. So I did not plan that, but yeah, looking at the viewfinder, I'm liking this combo. These are from Mango in a different shade to my top, as you can see, but in another gorgeous hue of green. It has this really wide toe, as you can see, and then it has a heel there, and then you literally just put your foot into there, just slip it in, and it's so different to any kind of mule I've seen on the high street. And these were, I believe, £90, but they're quite steep, and it's a fresh new design from Mango, so be on the lookout for that. Now, next up is the accessory I said I had purchased quite a few months ago, but I haven't been able to show it in a video, so I thought this is a perfect opportunity. It is a large bag. It's like a, I think you call this a hobo bag, I think that's the term. It's a very slouchy design, and it has like an adjustable shoulder strap, just one. And I got this from Mango. It's real leather. I believe it retailed for 90, but I got like £20 off, 20 to £30 off. It was a really good deal. What I love about this is, you know, it's so large, you can fit quite a lot in. You can see it's got some stuff in it already. And also, when I first saw it, it was definitely reminiscent of the oversized Jodie slouch bags designed by Bottega. And what's signature about those Bottega bags, aside from, you know, the quilted leather that they are known for, is that they have this knot on the strap, which this bag also has. So I feel like this is kind of like a dupe in a way of that, if you can see. And its shape is very much like a croissant shape, a slouchy croissant shape, which is again reminiscent of that Bottega bag. And how it's worn, it can be worn a multitude of ways, you know, over the shoulder like so. I like to wear it like this, just over my shoulder like that. Yeah, just kind of slung across body, and this is how I normally rock it. It's quite big, and it can fit a lot in, which I love. It's such a kind of oversized design. It kind of becomes part of the outfit. It's not just an accessory, as you can see. Like, it's literally like part of, it's a staple within itself. So yeah, if you want something that's more affordable, you know, on like a high street price range, then this is definitely you know, an option to go for. If it's still available, I would check and see if I can leave a link below. Onto another pair of shoes. These are also from Mango, and I got these in the sale recently. I'm so excited about these. I haven't actually worn them yet, but I can't wait to. So I got these shoes. These are like low-heeled mules, and what is signature about these, you can see, is it has this really elongated toe. It just adds this really edgy element. It pushes the style of the shoe into like a fashion forward territory, which I love. I cannot wait to rock these under like a pair of wide leg black tailored trousers. I think that would look really chic. And yeah, I love these. I'm again a fan of Mango shoes. I have found that they, in terms of high street pairs, are some of the most comfortable when it comes to heels. So just bear that in mind. That is all the accessories I have to show you guys in this video. I'd love to know your thoughts on each. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on that notifications button so you can see when I'll be back with a new video, and I'll see you guys soon.